guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond the Model. If you are new here, welcome. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about this hair. So this is the Outre Parisian hair that I put in my head. It comes with a 16, 2 18s, and a 20. I did put the 20 inches down at the bottom and then I sorted my way up. I did leave some of my hair out in the front. Now the quality on this hair, I can say that it's not stiff. It's not no shedding going on. Not right now because I just got it out the package. With the knots and stuff, it's not giving me any knots when I rub my hands into it and everything. It's not giving me none of that. So with the fluttering, I flutter like this part of my head and it's really smooth. It's kind of giving me that human hair vibe. It's kind of giving me that human hair vibe, and when I walk it bounces and stuff. So I can't wait to flutter in this hair. And now what I didn't like about this hair, the part down the middle, I had it like right there and I was like, okay, I gotta do something with that. I gotta work my magic and, you know, figure something out. So I literally had to cut half of the closure off and had to put some of my hair out. I love how big the curls are. Now, if you like this hair, you can go get this at a local beauty supply store. Now, the price is $29.99. I don't know what it is that you guys local beauty supply store. Everybody local beauty supply store is different. So this was $29.99. So yeah, I will be getting this again. I love the big curls up in the hair. Like, I've been literally trying to look for me hair like this and I literally found it. I put mousse on my head just to lay it down just so it can look as natural. This hair is not shiny at all. You might think like sometimes synthetic hair that's that cheap, shiny, like the texture is not right, but this texture is kind of giving me that human vibe. I'm literally excited about it. But if you're a baddie, you can get away with this. Like, if you're a baddie, you can get away with it. I'm pretty sure that all of my models that are looking at this video are baddies. So you guys can get away with it, I'm pretty sure. And if you do get this hair, make sure you comment down below and let me know if you're getting this hair. Because I know good time well, you're gonna get this hair. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys comment down below and also subscribe to my channel and turn on you guys notifications. Thank you all for stopping in and watching my whole video. See you next time. Bye.